Welcome to Marigold lesson, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. In this session we shall read the prose and understand new words.
Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day, she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. "Is anybody in?" she asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there.
She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Curly Locks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom.
There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft. But the tiny little bed was just right. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back. "Somebody ate my porridge," shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. "Somebody ate my porridge too," said Mama Bear. "Somebody finished all my porridge," said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice.
The bear family went to the bedroom. "Somebody slept in my bed," shouted Papa Bear in his big, gruff voice. "Somebody slept in my bed too," said Mama Bear. "Somebody is sleeping in my bed," said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Curly Locks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could.
Wow, it is so daring of Curly Locks to go into Bear's cottage and sleep. Let's look at the new words and their meaning. The word curly means having curved shape hair, or it could be curved any elongated object.
Example sentences are: I want those curly fries for lunch. I love curly hairs.
The word cottage means a small house, usually in the countryside.
Example sentences are: I would like to stay in a cottage during my summer vacation. We have a nice sunset view from our cottage.
The word bowl means a round container that is open at the top and is deep enough to hold fruit or khichdi.
Example sentences are: I would like to have a bowl of khichdi for my lunch. Please put these fruits in a bowl.
The word porridge means a thick, soft food made from oats boiled in milk or water, eaten hot for breakfast.
Example sentences are: I ate porridge for my breakfast. Mum prepares tasty porridge payasam.
The word hungry means wanting or needing food.
Example sentences are: The children are always hungry when they return from school. Whenever I am hungry, I go to mom asking for food.
Let's answer questions from the textbook. Who lived in the cottage in the forest?
The bear family lived in the cottage.
What did Curly Locks see on the table?
Curly Locks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table.
Why did she eat up all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl?
She ate all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl as it was just right, not too hot nor too cold.
Whose bed did Curly Locks sleep in and why?
Curly Locks slept in the baby bear's bed because the tiny little bed was just right for her to sleep, not too hard or too soft.
Excellent. You both answered well. With this we have come to the end of the session, lesson, Curly Locks and the 3 Bears.